morning. Ya samu akwa be mra so yenwe nsema ekoso wa godie mu. De bia meka se doso na yesefata se oteni aboabo no de abrachi ne kufu se eye agokansie wo bedwam so. Yes, of course. And pay enkran de me no kase ni nsu no eto. Maybe aso awon kan de na so de bia o elia de nsu nto e ba kokomemle ha de nsu eto. Tima me hot richoko. And I'm a balance ya de sense what na ye cool say no nya bi hot angu body ni mu a obu ana ne sasa abro kraba you hear richoko enye ni nu ahye mu ma no anya sam keto akra richoko for omo kan one pay na iden sam na de bro nti na me kan for de ma sam san kabi na bibia ntimi koye M5 now game pack aba ya ka game pack one sam adaje be boy chances say de no na the new ish in town obi aje tum say omo de disika ade go mboto manya sam keto akra and of course okokopie mu a 0 to 9 numbers and a wuyi be 4 maybe a wuyi 3 we are wuyi 2 na maybe a wuyi 1 now the disika de go mboto manya sam keto dial star 946 hash na fa ho jimu bi akonye na ni wo an birthday say obetimi do birthday disika to us am fan disika ejeja you are living yourself ho jim game pack now draw ne baso Adom TV so 9 a.m. 12 and of course 6 p.m. Tabribia be hu ye wudi entine day wo 3 opportunities so betimi disika e de go bottom no pan fa wi abefa wi am fa nwumre befa that's all na where disika de go bottom ni ade more mula more power say ka mula chele power e chire eye Jet kudi ni ade aka hye ne so gamepackgames.com gamepackgames.com or o phone so betimi a check in app or na ko Play Store na App Store no a check game pack na kwa bia so do ho atumi adi game aba mama fo diska ediko mboto yi mu yes Sergio Manocho bena parebo twa me producers anopa bia mo kan ho na ere samra de bro kejo na kasani Eric Asidu Bwedi Beshase na yedi fi the Carabao Cup and matches so Chelsea was in action, Nottingham Forest and a face to Everton. This game's yemo room near SNAC. Chelsea game and SNAC kwa matimi Irini 2-1 against Wimbledon at the Come anymore. Now draw number 2 your third round draw. Yenhwe ni munemo hu the atele for no be any more at the Pimso na wonsa ne wonsam esi at the matches no Chelsea Monday September 25 na kase yakwa anymore ani ade the third round draw no AC at Aston Villa Kwambia so no on Everton and the Pepsi Sans Everton qualify for the next one Manchester United and the Crystal Palace na be ball na face so no West Ham ako Lincoln City no the aboni Brentford the Fiat on suffer Arsenal no more at the ball na face Chelsea will qualify on Brighton and they ball in the next round Burnley called Southford City na Norwich about Fulham and so from Liverpool and then Leicester City and a ball in the next round Newcastle United and Manchester City. I repeat of Nano League on the Premier Soro and the Senegal League match we betia call and then Mansfield Town and Peterborough United and they say John Foni bin Adom Wabe Frebuni and the Tennis and some city be done because by when you Premier League teams no matches are omo ebe bono na busia yemfi obi man so na yemra mehwe de ekoso wo ye fie na no ada wo ko foridua the Ghana Football Association launch the upcoming season and the name be bring na to dwade ba kwa president Keto Krekuri atodwa and sade ba kwa dan administration akoma so be ma referees anya ehomie referees emre de set no say na referees e bring to no de atuna akoma so e kan manifesto won say referees betimi abodwuma a Philippa e wo season e ba dem
the following again to enhance the act of refereeing. 1. To give all first-tier referees and assistant referees access to the FIFA Red. I'm sure those of you who are into refereeing, you know exactly what it means by FIFA Red. To ensure periodic match analysis through the video test at least once a week. Again, it is the determination of the FA to use written test results as part of the key criteria for promotion and demotion of referees. It's also important to note that the FA is very, very committed towards ensuring that referees' indemnity are paid promptly. Indeed, I would say with all the smiles on my face that at the moment we do not owe any Premier League referee. Going into the new season, the Football Association intends to make weekly payments to all our GPL referees. Weekly payments. Indeed, we would also be providing 3 sets of uniforms to all our GPL referees going into the new season. We intend to implement the following, again, to enhance the act of refereeing. 1, to give all first-tier referees and assistant referees access to the FIFA Red. I'm sure those of you...
Right. President Ghana Football Association in somebody to Ghana no maybe omodia to kwemu say Ghana referees ho beto mo pa na ade now you go so war and ho ensem no like say GF elections no emre I do an say nche na acha say yakwa ani mu ade wu say ma bebrina court nsem ne ade ama ye de na no wamo vet na mkoye no actually nsem no on hold kakra but the movement vogo election ne be ba so na bankroller edema King Faisal Football Club no nsem to dwa. As an another filing fee of 50,000 Ghana cedis and for the 2 Ghana. And 50,000. Didn't want to move 50,000 here. A board in the large Karim Group study.
He can't continue out to Esca. Who continue FIFA out to Esca? And representation. And then Sikasam said, ne. Enkatasuo ne proyecti esi ye obi atweska wanya George Kurami sympathize no atima atweska se obeti se George Koroniska woniska election ye diska na ye disika ka ho na adwini ka ho ye ne ye pese se ye hwe se George ye correct ya ye se ket ye correct ya ye endi ka fu ko dina utweska
Alaji Karim Grosa, ne nsamo wode yetu dwana na ohye so mame Richoko eke wono pay ne nsamo de bro hori ba kakra be gu minimum na pay Richoko ne no ewo mu no boa the whole day am CPS tagira na so etma adwuma bia wo ye bia na ye nkonko pie mu wo Adriana Stars mu new coach a o ma pa no ye coach ya a champion. Yes, Mr. Joachim no Mr. Joachim ne nsam kakra tu bia say wono de onne amanfo mo kasa Ghana players tu kwan do nya adwen. Ye player na sakwanya ba na say tu kwan sanse sika amoje okrumu ande
So we a coach, players complain a lot. Players complain a lot. Financially, things are very, very bad. And yet teams in some of the teams, are very, very bad. Players' mentality, and they say they want to travel. Players' mentality, and they say they want to travel, which and we support them to go and if you want to be very proud of my family and I be visa, but. So that when they go, they can make all of us proud. One page anema, send anema call down, and you're fine. Until one try na, one fix anema. We can't say one fix anema. They know exactly what I mean.
Watch your
because anema Gunti, one fix anema, and almost fix anema na. Ghana and almost fixing him, everyone will be happy, and then all the noises now echo around will stop. Football is all about results. So results now bad there. No matter what you do, be able to say when you're results now no be fighting for. They should fight and give us the results.
Coach Joachim Yao champion, coach Dima by Adriana Stars. Now, but Shanesumami game pack. Na me kan form on say na Mouska kra weekend na ben back kra no nti so this kra e show task no what made the weekend na feel game pack games.com Google ade ne so na say kwan bia so no copy mo Play Store and App Store so o download the game pack app no what me play that game way more mula more cash what mula cash game pack for and abasa mo this answer at the abrain now yen copy mo na yen hwe ensem no so guso ekoso wo ensem fufro mo an copy mo tiptoe lane na Countryman Songo as part of the birthday celebration at the Fire of Fire copy mo circle tiptoe lane na manfo a chiro ma dwen wo sene omo hu Ghana football ne sene ekoseye senya ho
Fireman Abba, circle, Obia Kayenti, more fire than them, Obia sword than more than them. Hey, Communica for the sword than farmer, say, baby, what ya, every day, more fire, hey, I doubt Obia to go to visit away against her. You too, some of them say, I don't for more than a contract, I mean, more than swagger, I will happen actually. Or so, fire, hey,
I'm an old way of managing football, and I affect Ghana football this year. I must say, you lose interest, and then Mimi a phobia, and then has the bubble. I mean, to me, compact. I have a Kotoko friend and Kotoko Baba and you go back. I was say Okosha EPL. Why? Because Ghana football nya konobium.
I didn't say Ketokrekwa say Ghana football. Ba kupe. You go down sorry and like Ketokrekwa say after we need Ghana football about 5 billion. Hey, it is kind of holiday that young man go for if no move for share football no kana.
Say you share Ghana boss is here. From national teams. At the back club side.
Yeah.
Okay. Because who share Ket administration where only Ket administration where Ghana national me national side. National team any Kanya under 17.
More fire.
Ghana football. Say na uno.
Oh, Ghana football there a kojo to ewu. Na okra kukura na I'm so sad say kromia ye to abani pam obi ono $1 so be pay position. Yes so ye this series kromia. And ne kromia kra ho kira be break kra $1 issues. And the man must be sacked totally.
E dey pan empanifo no omo waji efi ho no. Omo hu a enu ti omo ye abawe yodum say on sign and quote another term me hu because ye supporters na ye good Ghana say no bibi enko ye man.
Empanifo mo was schedule omo kwa no ko disc omo no omo guest no masaba.
Bonfire.
It is a say and blaster ye gu no. E say ante for front ye ayeme bobi. Black pen kra metimi abo.
Bonfire.
May God bless you now. Hip hip hip. Ojana Shiwa. Ojana Shiwa. Oh fire. Na me so fire.
Of course, Oja. Later, happy birthday, come countryman Songo. Board member, the Macra to Fokaladia can be in some to just a Poema project. Or more, no, and check, and has a fope, Nebenya son faso, Ghana, no more than Yakudika, and about club.
Basically, we need to generate a lot of revenue from this project. Okay. Yeah, because swimming pool, they say, yeah, everything is here. Somebody could feel, he wants to come and stay here with the family. Yeah. Maybe just for about 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. There's everything here. While he's here, be up so long tennis, basketball, whatever it is, golf. Commercialization, we don't care whoever that is coming. Where we are anticipating clubs, whether local, whether foreign, banks, churches, you getting me? It's all about because we have even event center. Maybe I'll be person hosting pool party. Wow. Will be info, wedding, all those things. Something basically we need to generate.
Ryan Alaja can be board member as a folk and somebody too. I don't know. I was just telling some saying they say Concon and some Brawa Richoko and I can't wait by Samsung game pack. When Bibiano Pena who do Mama Udino, I also from what Mary Soya Juma, a Richoko game pack so Simon Ska Edia Go bottom game pack Pacho, you know, net dial star 946 hash nefa hon ejimubi. Makwe de sia Concon and some idea bro. Kejuana Kasani. Eric Asi du Bwedi, Sajamanicho, Bena Paributri, and me producers. I was saying, I was saying,